Okay, eo ira is another common irregular verb, and we've already seen both it and some of its compounds, such as ex eo, to go out. And it's irregular, like somessa. It doesn't exactly follow the rules that all the regular verbs from first through fourth conjugation use when forming present or imperfect tense. However, we can still start by copying the dictionary definitions, first word. That is still the present tense, first person singular. So that's the form that goes in this part of the chart right here. Kind of like some esse, we're going to see two different things starting off the forms of this word. Sometimes it's going to start with the letter I, and sometimes, like it did in the first person singular, it will start with E. So the first person singular and third person plural begin with E, and the other forms begin with I. And you can see, here's the E in the dictionary definition, and here's the I. After that, almost all you need to do is just add the personal endings. We already have the long O, and add S, T, mus, tis. And the one thing you need to remember when adding the endings is that there's this U in the form et und. So we had eo is it, imus itis et und. So you have to remember to add that U in. These are translated I go, you go. Remember here in the third person singular we get he, she, or it goes. And then we, you, all, and they go. In the imperfect tense, it's actually going to look fairly recognizable. It does use bom, bos, bot, bomus, botus, bont, which we see in all the imperfect forms of regular verbs. Not in somessa, but eo ira does use them. However, when we were doing the imperfect for regular verbs, we talked about finding the present tense stem, and then adding a certain vowel depending on the conjugation, and then ba and the personal endings. Here, we're just going to start with this long I. So it's simply ebom, ebos, ebot, ebomus, ebotus, and ebont. So we get I was going, you were going, he, she, or it was going. Then everyone in the plural would be we, you all, and they were going.